Welcome to the Valley, dude, again. It's another hot day in the Valley. So let's go inside and try some chicken sandwiches from Popeyes Chicken. There's a craze going on about chicken here, so I want to find out exactly what the great chicken is about, and then we'll compare with another place. Next stop, Chick-Fil-A. We're drinking some Popeyes lemonade. Luckily it's a drive-through, so we're gonna go in and out of here quick, and then we'll do our taste test. Today's big news everywhere is Popeyes chicken sandwich. It's breaking the internet. It's supposed to be fantastic. So we have Chick-Fil-A. Here it is. Here's the fries. We got the value meal. Here's the sandwich. This is what it looks like. I got a bit of sauce on there. See what their sandwich is like. So here's what the sandwich looks like. Open it up. Basically a bun, piece of chicken, a couple of pickles, and I'm gonna add a little something to it, give it a little flavor with their little barbecue sauce.
Hold on. Why are you putting barbecue sauce on it?
Okay, I'm not gonna put barbecue sauce on it.
Yeah, it came like.
Okay, so I'm just gonna taste it this way. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna taste the Chick-fil-A sandwich. This is better than what I remember. It's actually a nice piece of meat. Toasty. Taste the pickles a little bit. The bun's okay. As you guys know, it's been really hard to get Popeyes chicken sandwich. So we went over to the Popeyes chicken located on Parthenia and Woodley. Found out it's no longer available for like a month. So we're gonna do Popeyes chicken sandwich Valley Dude style. So if we don't have a bun, I'm gonna use the bun from Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna take one of their chickens and a pickle, put it on there, and taste it. It's pretty comparable. Same thickness. It's a little crunchier. You know what? I like the Valley Dude style. I hope you do too. Have a nice day.